Hello, how nice to see you. I am Katie the Explorer. I live in what I believe is the most beautiful country in the world, the land of fjords, mountains, ice, midnight sun and northern lights. Yes, you guessed it right, Norway. And this is Cami, my tiny and beautiful camper van. I'm a nurse, and my favorite way to re-energize or relax is being out in nature and exploring new places with my camper van. If you haven't been here before, welcome to my van life here in Norway. And if you have seen some of my previous videos, welcome back. Life on four wheels. What is it that makes campervan living so special? Memories of long hot summers? The idea that you can take off at any moment? Driving something that brings a smile on your face? Who knows? But what's certain is that a campervan promises freedom, fun, adventure and an escape from the everyday. It's a chance to live the dream out in the open, away from the rat race. Good morning. morning. It's not bad with friends that can provide fresh vegetables. It's so nice to just lay in my hammock and relax. I can't believe summer is already over. It has been a bit different year for me due to complications after I had some infections and COVID. I haven't been on as many trips as I hoped, but I'm super happy because I have been able to go on a few short ones. I really love being out here in nature or out in my van. It's my favorite way to relax.